Today is 21st May and you are watching Rising TV. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. M-Swipe Technologies recently announced $20 million in a new round led by existing investors Alpha Wave Global. Founded in 2011 by Manish Patel, MSWI provides payment solutions including point-of-sale devices, Unified Payments Interface, UPI, quick response codes and payment links to help offline merchants receive payments digitally. The proceeds from the ongoing fundraise will be used to widen its merchant payment network and to strengthen its product and technology infrastructure. Vardhana has raised $3 million led by Triodos Investment Management through non-convertible debentures. Established and co-founded in 2013 by Steve Hargrave, Vardhana Finance operates as a non-banking finance company that provides credit to low-budget private schools and students pursuing higher education in India. The proceeds will be used to further expand its reach and support to more schools and students in upgrading their infrastructure, facilities, and educational foundation. CoinPros has raised $700,000 in a new round led by Dr. Ruchi Parekh, RDB Group and angel investors. Founded by Piyush Chopra and Shiladitya Dash, CoinPros leverages emerging technologies such as GenAI to build SaaS solutions for the legal, tax and regulatory space. The proceeds will be used for building a generative AI intellectual property for the legal domain, team expansion and scaling operations to broaden CoinPros' platform capabilities. Stanza Living has raised $13 million in what appears to be a bridge round led by Alpha Wave. According to the reports, Alpha Wave invested 83 crore rupees in the funding round. Additionally, Matrix Partners, Accel India, and Peak 15 invested a cumulative total of 27 crore rupees. Founded in 2017 by Anindya Datta and Sandeep Dalmia, Stanza Living is a managed accommodation platform which provides co-living solutions for working professionals and students.